Okay, everybody. So, did you like the Energizer?
Yes.
Yes? Did you enjoy it?
Yes.
Now, it's time to start with the next part of the lesson. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right. So, do you remember, everybody, that in the previous lesson, we talked about creativity and innovation?
Yes.
Do you remember?
Yes.
What did you do in that lesson? Can anybody share? What did you do? Yes, please.
So in previous lesson we found a problem and we wrote a solution on that problem. Those problems we found.
Absolutely right. Thank you so much. We all have written the solution of some identified problems with our groups. Is it?
Yes.
And today we are going to refine it. Okay? All right. So can anybody please read the objective? Please read the objective of the lesson.
Practice brainstorming solution while respectfully accepting each other's ideas and collaborating to refine solutions.
Absolutely. So there are some words that I have underlined here, right? And you will find the same words here as well. What is it? Brainstorming solutions. Do you know what is brainstorming, everyone?
Yes.
What is brainstorming? Okay, please share.
So brainstorming, it means we use our mind on time. Suppose we are giving us some task, we are giving us some puzzle. So that time present mind we use. So that is called brainstorming.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for sharing. So it is solving a problem creatively. Simple?
Yes.
Solving a problem creatively. Pratap, can you please repeat?
Solving the problem creatively.
Thank you so much. So that is brainstorming. We will brainstorm the solutions. Is it fine, everybody?
Yes.
So the next word that I have underlined, respectfully accepting each other's ideas. Right? So if you remember, I told you, everyone, that we will not judge each other on the basis of ideas. We will accept the ideas respectfully. Fine?
Yes.
And the last word is collaborating. What is it?
Collaborating.
Collaborating. What is the meaning of collaborating?
Yes. Can I say?
Yes, please.
So collaborating means teamwork.
Very nice answer. Thank you so much for sharing. So collaborating means when you help each other and work with a team. So are you ready for this lesson, everyone?
Yes.
Thank you so much. So for starting it, I have a very interesting activity for you. Are you ready for the activity?
Yes.
Great. For this activity, we are going to stand in a circle, everybody. Okay? Let's get up. Let's get up, everyone. You can place your chair a little bit backwards. Please shift this side. Are you all ready?
Yes.
So please listen to the instructions very carefully. Okay? So I have something for you. What is this?
Lock.
This is a lock, right? So we will consider that I have a company. What do I have?
Company.
A company which sells locks. Okay? So what do I have?
You have a company and you have to sell that.
Yes, I have a company that sells locks. Now, the problem is, everyone, that my product is not performing good in the market. Okay? The product is not performing good. People are not purchasing this lock. Okay? So you have to help me to boost the sale of this lock, to increase the sale of this lock. Did you understand?
Yes.
Can you please share what will we do?
we have to share our ideas how we can boost the sales of the locks.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Now, everybody, we will take care of one thing. We will try not to repeat the ideas of each other. Okay? Fine?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you so much. I need your help seriously in this. All right. Now, let's start. Can you please, do you need time to think? So let's start sharing. Please share. What is your idea to boost the sale of this lock? It can be, everybody, it can be related to the looks of this lock. It can be the cost of this lock or how it works. It can also be the function of this locks. Is it fine? Are you ready to share the solutions with me?
Yes.
Thank you so much. So let's start.
Okay, so we do better advertisement our lock company, that we all the pupils aware about our locks. We do advertisements
Okay.
in different platforms.
So you are saying advertisements will help in different platforms, right?
Yes,
Advertising the product.
yes.
Thank you so much for sharing. Wonderful.
Okay, may I know its price?
So the price of this lock is 100 rupees.
100 rupees. So I think it will be expensive for all customers. So if you reduce its price, then it may work
Okay.
in our sale.
Fine. I will try.
Okay. Yes. So I think the look is changed. This is a bigger. I think it is small. So it is
Oh.
one.
So the look and the weight
Yes,
should
yes.
change.
Yes, yes.
Nice. Thank you so much for sharing.
Okay, so as we know now everything is digitalizing, so we can add some the fingerprint sensor. So
Oh.
people might get interested with this lock, so it can be useful.
Very nice idea. So you are involving the technology. Thank you.
Okay, so this type lock is not useful for market because this lock is very old type.
Okay.
Look like something unique.
So
add something.
what is the solution that you want to give? This is the problem. What solution do you give to improve it?
So I think add something digitalizing.
You want to digitalize it.
Yes.
Can you give any example?
Look at bag, so numbering.
Oh,
Yes.
number lock.
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice. Amazing, I would say. Thank you.
Okay.
You can also share.
So if I talk about for advertisement, so we can this lock advertisement on with the help of social media. Yes, that is very good for lock. And one more thing is we have to decrease weight and we have to make more attractive this lock.
Very nice. Thank
That's
you.
it.
So you shared about the size and you shared about digitalization also.
Yes.
And there was one more thing that you shared.
And look attractive.
Looks. How do you want it to look?
We can change this lock color. Like it is metallic, so we can give a color like a golden. So I think it is attractive because
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So you can change the looks by changing the color. Fine. Thank you so much. Okay. What do you say about it?
Say that it's a good quality product like Link. And yes, we can say that we can not made any other key for this. The same key will be used for this.
Okay.
And it can't be broken by you can say hammer or anything.
Okay, so you want to increase the strength of the lock.
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
All right. So everybody, thank you so much for sharing the creative and innovative solutions. Did you notice that all of us, when we already talked about collaboration, we respected each other's ideas.
Yes.
So we have to do the same thing. Now, do you think all these ideas will work for my lock? Or any one or two will work?
No,
All the ideas?
all the ideas.
So should I use all the ideas on my lock? Or should I choose the best one first of all?
I think we should choose the best one for our
Yes.
product.
Yes. So this is what we are going to do in this lesson. We have already written solutions previously. Do you remember?
Yes.
Yes. We will choose the best one out of it and we will refine it. We will refine it. Fine, everybody?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Please have your seat. Yes, everybody. So as we have just chosen the problem and written the solution already, but do you think all those solutions will work for you? Or will you have to choose any best one?
We have to choose best one.
Yes?
We have to choose best one to resolve our problems.
You have to choose any better solution, right?
Yes.
So this time, everybody, we are going to do the same. We are going to do the same. We are going to make decision about which solution will be the best. Have you understood?
Yes.
Let's open our SRB for it, everyone. We will check SRB part B. Have you all opened?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now everyone, please listen to me. Can you see there are a few questions given? Yes?
Yes.
So you will use those questions. You have the solution written in your notebook?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Now, what will you do? You will read the questions given in SRB and you will check your solution. Is it present in my solution or not?
Okay.
Have you understood?
Yes.
If it is not present, then what will you do?
We have to go through the solution more and more, find out the solution.
You will refine your solutions. Have you understood?
Yes.
You will add more details to it. You will check whether it is going to be beneficial or harmful.
Yes.
Or what do you need to make this solution even more effective? Did you understand, everyone?
Yes.
Questions are there. You have to find out
New answer.
new
Solutions.
strategies, new strategies to make your solution better.
Yes.
Have you understood?